Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the ExitLag with the Lagster, with GearUp, and with the NoPing home, and what are the things to be aware of on each, what are the pros and cons. So with ExitLag, you have plenty of games, plenty of mobile games. You have mobile apps available, most established companies, so the ExitLag is one of the biggest ones. Multipath routing technology, FPS boost feature included. And also you have not a VPN. This is like a huge thing. What can you ban if you got to play a video game? Because some of these got a VPN. Good customer support, and plenty of people even like on Tokyo servers got like lower pings, so that's insane. But it's expensive, and auto renewal complaints. So strict refund policy. Results vary by ICP location, and it's Windows only for desktop. No Mac, Linux. Maybe they're going to change it in the future. Okay. And of course is that you're gonna have coupon down below in description. Like if you want to, you can use it. If no, it's up to you. But ExitLag is great, but there are still cons, right? Now, when we're gonna go further to the Lagster, that's the next one. It's the cheapest option. Like when you're gonna come here to pricing, you see like $3 a month, and let's say yearly. Right now you see like the solo here. Now owns their own servers and routes, 120 plus server locations, plate tuning, RAM cleaner, 7-day refund, and they got also partnership, I think, with Mr. Savage. And then the things that like you don't have any like free trial here if you like to like try it out for yourself. Also PS only, a limited game library, FPS boost is like coming soon. So as you can see, you don't have right now the FPS boost here, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. Now Lagster is kind of like okay-ish, but it is what it is, right? So now the next one is GearUp. So with the GearUp, when you're gonna like actually like check it out for the product and for the Windows, you can try it out for free. So that's huge to see for yourself if it actually works. You got 20 plus games supported, multi-platform, console support, FPS boost, server lock, good Trustpilot reviews, also adaptive smart routing. Now the cons is more expensive than Lagster. Auto renewal can catch users off guard. Some report like no improvement, but it like really depends. And interface can be confusing for beginners. Must cancel 3 days before billing to avoid charges. So that's for it. Now the GearUp is also kind of like okay-ish. The NoPing here as the last one, you have like also try here that you can like try it out, and you see it's kind of like also when let's say you're gonna choose one of these, like let's say select it, and you can like pay for it, and you got like 1 month plan here. So you got 500 plus dedicated servers, 300 plus games, multi-connection technology, FPS boost up to 60%, AI-powered routing, strong in South America. So this is kind of like the Brazilian company, so that's like important. And here you see that you can have like low ping, boost FPS, audio pad, pro settings, but the pricing is a little bit more expensive. I mean, yeah, you got annual and quarterly, but still it's like $6. And then many people like call it scam. So that's something to be aware of for the NoPing. Auto charges after trial, $60 yearly charge, no refunds, PC only, a cluttered interface, like support issues. This is something that were like cons of it. So that's pretty much it, what I wanted to share with you. So the best overall is the ExitLag, and best budget option is GearUp Boosters if you like, when you're gonna click here, and you can like try it out for free. And also, yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video helped you at least a little bit, and have a great day and goodbye.